What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, the topic is how to assign the leads to the team. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that I have attached the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. Once you have done so, you'll be redirected to the dashboard over here. So once you are navigating to the dashboard, all you have to do is to make sure that you go to the left hand side and you will see the contacts option underneath the dashboard. Click on that and you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see that there are plenty of options. Personalize your CRM, import contacts, bring in website leads, invite your team, and route leads to your team. So if you haven't invited your team yet, in order to assign somebody the lead, you must have the team already invited to your CRM. Once you have done that, you will be able to route the leads to the team from this option. If you don't want to use this option, there is a way through, which is sales owner. In here, you will see that for this contact, I'm sales owner. But if I go ahead and click on that, and I type in a team because I don't have a team over here. So if the team is there, if the team is invited a part of the CRM, I just gonna tap the name over here and then I can assign it to them. Otherwise, I can always use this option in order to route the leads. So that's pretty much easy and simple. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.